Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how RCD360 connects to the rear view camera. There are two initial settings for the products we offer. One is set to connect the reversing camera, and the other is set to do not need to connect the reversing camera. So before you buy, please make sure you choose the right device. If you make a mistake, you can exchange it with us. You could also program with 5054 diagnostic instruments. We can provide the method of programming. Now let's talk about how to connect the reversing camera. In our wiring, this yellow cable is used to connect the reversing camera. Note that this is the RCA interface. If your car is RGB, this camera cannot match. In addition, please make sure that you use original reversing camera of Volkswagen. If you use the camera products of aftermarket, you need to purchase a delay timer. Now let's show you how to connect wires. We have a bunch of extension cables in our package, one end of which is connected to the yellow wire, and the other is connected to the camera, which draws power from the license plate light in the trunk. If you are using an aftermarket camera, there may be a phenomenon that the image inside the camera will appear for a second and then disappear. This is because the aftermarket camera does not match RCD360. The solution to the problem is to buy a delay timer, and we will connect it in parallel to the reversing camera. So I recommend you to purchase our Starlight HD night version camera, which also comes with the time delay required by RCD360. If you are using an original reversing camera, you don't have to worry about that. That's all we need to talk about today. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send us an email. I will see you next time. Bye.